Hey, what's up everyone? Buy the first bottom and you will get the second one for free. This is about what is going on currently on our crypto exchange. So yesterday at the end of this consolidation I bought BTC, Ethereum and Solana on 1k amount just manually, because I thought that okay, we are on the good support level, support range, some range, and yeah, let's try our luck and just buy for future returns for some middle term range, as invest as some type of crypto investments. And fuck you, mate, minus 12% just in in few hours after my buy. Okay, so let's talk about what is going on in crypto now and what we are about to wait in from this market in our next few months, I guess. So the first of all, I didn't see the good day head and shoulders technical figure, technical price action patterns, and if we will take a look, we can see we can see it right there, right here. One shoulder, second shoulder, and the head, so our technical analysis tells us that if we have some head and shoulders pattern, we can expect, if we will get some breakout, we can expect movement, for example, for distance between shoulders base and head high peak. So let me draw what I'm talking about. So we have to make some line. Okay, let's do it more accurate. Something like this, or probably something like this. So it's definitely hard to, maybe like this, it's more correctly, I think. Yes, we got some breakout in these times, but it looks more classical. Okay, so if we will draw some approximated line, we should track this distance to this point, and after breakout we have to move the same distance from breakout point here and there, and we can approximately evaluate what the distance price will go. Of course, it's not a super accurate technique, because it's market, it has a lot of different conditions which influence on price movement. A lot of whales, crypto whales, who can move price to direction they prefer. So we have here 27,000 700 points of price. So, and we have price point approximately, oh shit, approximately 42 and a half thousands. So let's move this distance to opposite direction. 20, what it was, 27 and something and 27 and 700. Okay, 27 and 7. Oh, okay, I think something like this. Probably it will be a little bit shorter or a little bit further, deeper, but what we can see to the left side of chart, we can see the points where supposedly price will come. So the first one consolidation here, the second one some peak here. This consolidation in its order is reflects this peak breakout. So probably the first stop will be, oh, also we have this little consolidation, so probably we will have the first week retracement from this range. We are already there, and the second one we will get on price. What this price is. The range is 20,000, 15,000. So for me, I think that we will get some stop at this consolidation. Probably will get some fake movement down, like short diving movement down, and then we will go up. So this is my thoughts, and basically because we are about almost at the end of downtrend, so it's about 20-30%. In comparison what we already did, it's just almost nothing. So we did almost 70% down. So let's check entire value, entire distance to this 75. So two-thirds of price historical records. Okay. So from my point of view, we have not break out this support range. These horizontal ranges, because if we will break out this down, it will mean that I think that we will go to the really historical lows, and probably all other crypto coins will be scammed, will die, and it will be some type of apocalypse shit. So I really hope that we will get some serious resistance from this support line. Okay, so and this is basically, actually I thought that we already will get some good retracement movement to the up direction from this line, because it's classical third touch of high trend line, I mean uptrend line. And classical technical analysis, if we got some retracement movement from this, like we had like this for example, so it in most cases by probability theory it should go further and further and further to up to new historical highs or new highs from this great channel. Where is the channel? I almost didn't use this sheet because it's all in mind. So something like this, and if we got some development of this retrace to the up direction, we should get good new historical up rises. But we didn't. We got outstanding breakout to the downside, and I think this is the last hope, the deadline. I don't know how it is correctly in English language, but I very hope that we will get some good retracement to the up and this in future this will be just false breakout, and we will get some uptrends. So this is what is about measure my thoughts about market. Now I would like to review make short review about results of Smart Greeter bot. Yeah, it has really bad times because from the very beginning of its launch we got strong bear market, and there is no basically good consolidation like here, which is really good for great strategy, great trading. But let's take a look to results. So just a couple of dozen of minutes ago I put additional $50 to this bot because it was fulfilled totally, and it filled some new trades, so basically 4 trades by $12, and despite that we have some shitty situation, shitty bear situation on market, the bot will do the trades and got some profits anyway. So here is only one trade. It's of course it's nothing, but if we will take a look, for example, last week, and let's take a look to the sell side. Okay, we can see 12, here is 11 and some residual, in overall it will be $12. So did 12, a lot of trades. I don't know how much, because here is it, I sold some BTC manually, I guess. I don't know, I don't remember, maybe it's just I converted some my home money. Anyway, if we will take into account only $12 trades, we will get a lot of them. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 17 17 18. So it's burger. So 31, 32, 40, anchor. Where is anchor? Oh shit. Crap. And BTC. Oh, sorry for delay. I'm counting. Okay, else. Something else. Oh crap. Tak, burger. Okay, then we got on the else, then we got else. Okay, then we got enk 8th of June. Enk. Okay, it was 48, 50. Okay, 50. Okay, enk 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, Loca 70, Cocos. 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, 12, 11, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. Cos 84, and 85, 6, 7, 8. So okay, it was turn around $1,000 and make 2% of this. So 0 to $1. It's very weird. Wait a second. I forgot. Okay, it makes 25 cents from every trade. Okay, well, $20. Okay, it did $20, so this is literally 1k per person. Yeah, correct. So it made $20. Yes, of course it's not a big amount, but we should remember that we got big movement down. Let's check entire drawdown of this bot. So okay, I started to test this at the end of April. Oh sorry, at the very beginning of April. It was 31 of March, I guess, something like this. So for myself, I got this high, not very high, not the highest high, but the next high from the start point. And let's check how BTC is down now. So it's about 50%, but since I had not only BTC but had some. Okay, let's take a look to the oldest order I had. I have, wait a second, okay, VGX. Okay, let's take a look to this. Okay. So we got entry something like this, something somewhere there. Okay, and let's check let's check how long, so how far it is now. 71%. It's not so much big. I also have ZEC, for example. Let's open it position, and what is about this. Okay, 67. Okay, it's great, not too much. Let's check one of my 25 USD trades. It's not too much, but it is okay. It made some trades there, you can see by arrow, and the last trade was done the day before yesterday. Okay, 80%. Oh, great. So if we will take a look, also we have Luna, which is totally nothing right now. Oh, okay, let's check this asset. Okay, 64. So a lot of minor pairs is go down by incredible amounts, approximately 4/5 get down. So let's take a look to my wallet overview, but at first I have to oh, okay, I know what I do. I will do just fiat and spot. I want to show you my transactions, external, internal. So great. You can buy the first button, and the second you get for free. Just try it after that. So I have 2,150 bucks on the spot on the MyGreedy bot, but I put into this initially I put into this 2,050 bucks if I remember correctly. Then I add 1,000 more, and this was my major trade account for Smart Greeder. After that, yesterday I put one more 1,000, so in overall I put this amount in the spot section. And yesterday I put 1,000 by manually just to buy BTC, Ethereum and Solana. You can see huge amount in comparison with other coins. I put it because I thought that we touched the base and ready to go to the upside, but I mistake it. So okay, it's not a huge deal because I didn't use any leverage, so I can be just crypto holder for years. It's not so big problem. So let's return to BTC chart, and what I think is about further actions of my Smart Greeder. I think I will switch it off, because I have strong feeling that we are really at the end of downtrend movement because of head and shoulders, knees and toes on BTC, because of closer support, great support level, and probably we have this like some false breakout. So my thoughts are the following. I'm going to turn off the smart grider and write some simple script which will save all my take profit orders, which is only 2% per pair, and I will save it just to make sure that I can restore it at any moment, and then I will cancel all orders and switch this bot off and stop any crypto trading, because I won't put more money in grider because it's enough for now. It has 3000. It did a lot of trades. I think when we will get to start point of this grider, so it's 50%. I think it will. I will close all my position, or I will restore on all my positions, and most of them will be closed more than 2% of take profit, and in overall I will get some good return. I approximately evaluate it like, I think, 60 plus of persons return, probably maybe more. My backtest showed me with no leverage about 60-70% per year returns. So yeah, we got now huge drawdown for my account. If we will subtract from this amount, subtract yesterday put 1000, it will be 1150. So if we will divide it on initial 3000, it is 38% left from initial deposit. So oops, okay, 1 minus, so we have 61.6% of drawdown. My backtest showed me about 70% drawdown as max. Sorry, I got a cold a little bit. So I think it will be 70%, something like this, somewhere there. So what have to do you if you have some positions? I don't know where you enter it in the positions, but definitely if you didn't get it with leverage, I guess the best decision, the best solution will be just sitting in silence and calm and awaiting when we get some good retrace, and then we can evaluate this retrace, how great, how strong it is, and then we can think about if we should sell our both positions, our long positions, or should we left it in hope to get some new historical highs. So it's already 30 minutes. I'm not sure that if anyone will be listening up to this moment. but if you still alive, just put like button if you liked my videos and what I'm doing and would like to support me. It would be great, and you can get me some feedback and comments, so I will be happy to read, and probably we will be able to discuss something. And remember, use your mind for critical thinking, and take care, and see you later. Of course, a couple of updates. I do not offer you this bot because it's not suitable for everyone because of huge drawdown, and I still have only back tests results and no any real results. So for my self, I have decided that I will record final results when price of BTC will return to this initial point, and this is absolutely great historical situation because when we launch bot, for example, here we get some range and then boom, go down. It's really bad. Or if you will run bot, for example, here, and then we got outstanding range, I'm sure my bot over all market would did outstanding profit for these wide ranges. But then at the end of the day we will go downside direction, and it will got some some drawdown again. So one of the measure point, when I got some plenty time, I would like to think how to avoid, probably by stop loss or something like this, how to avoid false entries, or maybe just cut off negative positions, that we be able to trade smart trader on the consolidations when it bring most of profits. For example, here we have good trades, but not so much because it's day one and second, but sometimes we have outstanding. Okay, let's do 1 month history, let's do sell side and try to see which one coins is most repeat. Have no idea if it works. Okay, let's check EPX. Okay. Okay, yeah, take a look. I'm trying to show you something like this. Every single day we have a lot of trades on the same asset because it is in range. So for example, if you trade by 12 bucks the trade, you can get a lot of deals in the range with 2% take profit. Probably here I have no money or something like this, I don't know, I don't remember. Okay, let's check the data. Coin Hive. Okay, yes, it's very active. Hive, Joe not so much active. Bell, let's check Bell. I think Bell is good, not so much. Okay, I will not waste the time. So one of measure. Okay, anyway, we have about 300 plus assets on spot section in Binance, and so it's amazing amounts of opportunity to get 2% trade profit. So the most our attention should be for the range market, for grid trading, and for mechanic of exit from drawdown positions. Okay, I will think about this because it's it requires some tricky logic to exit, to trade the positions. Okay, that's all for now. Hope you in not great drawdown. If not, and you have some cash, probably there is some Santos. Okay, what is it, Santos? Let's take a look. You can see BTC is little green, little green bar, and we already filled our 2% profit. Okay, nice. Oh, Santos is good. Okay, let's check. Data field. Okay. Santos. Okay, Santos. Yeah. As you can see, it's pretty interesting. For this coin, I think stupid dummy grider works more efficiently. I mean, under dump grider, I meant that you just point the price at it, throw grid above or below price to buy and sell for futures, for example, if you would like to short the positions, because you can see here we have splashes, a lot of splashes, and they are sorry, they are good percentage, 6%. Oh, great. Santos FC fan token. Okay, so we got some trades close. Data, I think it was done just a couple seconds ago. Yeah, Hive. Okay, great. May, April, not so often as I would like. So we got more Santos and Hive just approximately 40 minutes ago and already closed this. So that's why I was talking that we have great performance when we use it in Rage. Oh, sorry again. Okay, I have to finish my video. So take care and see you again.